Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn and seed beads. And in this video you will see how to crochet cute flower with seed beads, made of 2 rounds only. And before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. For this, make a chain of 2 and make half double crochet with seed bead into the ring. Take seed bead, yarn over the hook, and make half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2. As you can see, I am removing a long piece of yarn. 3, 4, 5. In total it should be 12 of them. I'm about complete round 1. Once I have done 12 half double crochet with seed bead, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the half double crochet, make a slip stitch. My round 1 is ready. Let's crochet round 2, and my cute flower consists of only 2 rounds. It is going to be a round of petals. Make a chain, insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet, then take seed beads, make chains with seed bead. Take the yarn behind the seed bead and make a chain. 1. In total it should be 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. I remove seed beads. I turn the work like this, then chain of 2, work into the each chain stitch. Make double crochet, not finish, into the each chain stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into 2 loops. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here what I have at this point. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Here what I have. Make a chain and pull it. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make single crochet. My cute petal is ready. Let's crochet the second petal. Take seed beads and make 6 chains with seed bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My chains are ready. Continue. I remove seed beads, then chain of 2, and work with double crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first chain stitch with bead, and make double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here what I have at this point. I remove seed beads, then yarn over the hook and pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain and pull it. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. I will start the next petal and you should continue working by yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Then chain of 2 and 6 double crochet not finish, and so on. I'm done 2 petals. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 12 of them. You should crochet 10 more. Once I have done all 12 petals, and let's complete this round with me, and let's complete this flower. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch and pull it. To secure the yarn by making a chain, and you can leave a long piece of yarn to sew a bead to the center of the flower, or you can remove a long piece of yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower. My flower consists of only 2 rounds. So that's it, my project is ready. I remind you my flower has 2 rounds only, and for this project I used beads, a ball of yarn and crochet hook, and a round bead. Thank you so much for watching. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this flower. See you next time. Good luck in crocheting. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Bye!